Hello everyone. Welcome to Crypto Trading Hub. If this is your first time of getting in touch with Crypto Trading Hub. Try to like, share this video, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss our forthcoming videos. Because on this channel, what we cover is practical ways of making money online. So today we're gonna be covering how to avoid incoming recession by making $5 to $10 daily with your smartphone. That's what we're gonna be covering today, because the economy is really bad as we speak. You know the condition of the economy, you know how bad the economy is right now, and the worst is yet to come. So how do you see yourself from this incoming gloom, from this incoming disaster that is about to face the economy? The only way out is to increase and multiply your sources of income. And that's why I went to you today, how to make at least $5 to $10 daily with your smartphone. So I'll be taking you to this popular app. It's a popular app you know, but never know how to make use of it to make at least $5 to $10 on a daily basis. I'll be showing you, and on this channel we started the 100-day daily money making challenge, a 100-day trading challenge, and we've covered 4 days so far. In the past 3 days we've made a substantial amount of profit. So in the next 100 days we'll be making this money on a daily basis, non-stop, and I'll be showing you how you can be able to make at least $5 to $10 daily non-stop, no matter if the economy is bad, no matter if the economy is nosediving to a disaster, no matter how bad the economy is. You keep making money on a daily basis with just your smartphone. And I'll be taking you through that how in the process. But before then, let me show you proofs, because on this channel we cover on the practical, real life experience. Let me take you through the previous 4 days trade we've had so far. We're going for 100-day trading challenge, 100-day trading challenge with 100-day win and 0 loss. That's the aim and objective of this 100-day trading challenge. This 100-day trading challenge, what our aim is to hit 100-day win and profit trading days with 0 loss. And so far we've accumulated substantial amount of profit in the last 4 days, because the 100-day trading challenge has been 4 days so far. We've covered 4 days, remaining 96 days, and in these 4 days we've made profits with 0 loss. So let me show you proofs. So take you through my dashboard and take you through the process and steps by which you can sell, you yourself can start making at least $5 to $10 daily on your smartphone. Let's go. So guys, the app we're making use of to make the daily profit is what I'm about to show you. Is the app you already know, the very popular app which you already know, but you don't know how to make use of it. You don't know how to maximize it to make yourself a daily profit and income making use of this app. And this app is no other than Binance app. So let's go into the details as I show you my dashboard and the profit we've made so far in this last 4 days. And as regards this ongoing 100-day trading challenge with a 100-day winning in mind and 0 loss. Our aim is 100 days trade winning. We're going to win the next 100 days. We're going to make 100-day profits. Throughout the 100 days, we're going to make profit all through the 100 days with 0 loss. That's the aim. And so far, we've made 4 days of profit with 0 loss, because we've been 4 days into this 100-day challenge. So let's do this. Let me show you. As you can see here, so here is the app, the online app. Is it already Binance? So let me take you through. Okay, here we are. So this is we're making use of futures on Binance. Relax. I know you've heard of futures. I know you don't know how to go about it, but then I'm going to show you as simple as ABC. Very, very simple. I'm going to show you something. So far, you can see here. As you can see here, I'm going to show you something. We've had 15 winning days, but then we'll be taking it weekly. We're going to take it week by week. This week, we're already 3 days into it. So, I'm going to show you all the trades and all the proof. Already covered 4 days so far this week. And so I'm showing all the trades. Even though we've had winning days, but I'm taking it week by week. So this week, we're already 4 days into the trade. I'll be showing you the 4 trades we grow and the 4 days profit we make with 0 loss. So let's go to it. Let me show you. This is it here. As you can see, this is it. 15 days winning days. So let me go show you our trades we grow so fast over the channel. Let's go there. It's loading. It's loading up. When it's finished loading, then I'll set and explain everything in detail to you. Alright guys, it's done loading. As you can see, now this is when dashboard, futures account, profits and loss details. So we will show you on weekly basis. These are 100-day trading challenge started 4 days ago. I'll be taking it weekly. Let's look at this week. So this week starting from 24th to 27. As you can see, starting from 24 to 27. This is it here. 24th to 27. 4 days so far. We've done 4 days so far. 24th to 27, as you can see here. So let me take you through 4 days we've done so far. So let's scroll down. As you can see here. Here we are. You can see. Okay guys. So this is it. Total profits. The profits 17.95. Understand? So again, let me repeat myself. Okay, so you can see it. Total profits. We have the total profit here. Total profit is 17.9 USD. Total loss is 0. We've lost nothing so far, and we don't intend losing anything because before we run any trade, Crypto Trading Hub, we go into details, we dissect, do the technical analysis, fundamental analysis, the real-time, real-life economy, and the situation of the market and everything. Go into details before you return any trade. So, and that's where we don't lose trade. So, net profit is on 17. For the last 4 days, winning days, 4 days, losing days, 0, lost money, and we're going to look into this profit. Pay rates, it's 100. So we've done this over and over again. We have 400 days in time. So this is going to be the last. The previous proof that we can do this again and again. We've never lost anything, and we so you can see here, been so 4 days so far into the trade, into the 100 challenge, and we've lost nothing, and we made a roughly 18 USD dollars so far in these 4 days. So let's show you the interesting facts, the interesting details. You scroll down. Alright, scroll down. Let me show you. Okay, the last 4 days. We started this challenge, as you can see. These are the last 4 days. Okay, so you can see it now. So the first day was 23rd, 24th, 37 weeks, $2. 24, we actually made like $6 on this trade fall. But then we didn't close that trade. That trade, we left it extended till the second day, 25th. And the 5th, we didn't close that trade as well. Instead, we didn't close that until 26th. We closed that trade. And it made us $5. Understand? And this is not all the trade that we started from this 24th. We started 6 trades on this 24th, and here the 6 trades are still ongoing even on 25th and 26th. We only closed 1 out of all those 6 trades on the 26th. So we still have 5 pending trades that we're going to close. The reason is because those trades are still accumulating more profits. Understand? So that's why you see it here. As you can see here is the last 4 days, starting from 23rd, 26th. No loss, profit all through. And we still have 6 pending trades that we started on this 24th that are yet to close. And they're already in profit. Still accumulating more profit. That's what triggered our closing points. Once it triggers our closing points, we close that trade and take the profits. And here we have 1 pending trade. So we open 2 trades here, and we took profits. 1, which is we give out this $12. Second trade is still ongoing. Plus this 5 trades that are yet to be closing. So we have 1 trade here that is still ongoing, still making profit. That's impressive. So we guide you on how to join the trading group and how to start making money really with a smartphone. So on this, I like to wish you profitable and fruitful day ahead, and I'll see you on the other side of success. Above all, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and if you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of Crypto Trading Hub forthcoming videos. See you on the other side of success. Be blessed. Bye. Bye and bye. Again, like this video, share it with your friends, and turn on the bell notification icon if you subscribe. And if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon. And the last 3 days trading challenge, you will see a link under the description of the video where you can go ahead and watch the past 3 days trading challenge. And we can always keep in touch by sending us a message via this Crypto Trading Hub WhatsApp message on right here on the screen. Go look at the description of this video. You're going to see a link that will take you to the past 3 days trading challenge and how much profit you accumulated so far. Again, like, share and subscribe to this channel.